Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to link Topstep to NinjaTrader. If you're a trader looking to connect your Topstep funded account to NinjaTrader for seamless trading in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you get set up quickly and avoid common pitfalls, so you can focus on what matters, making those profitable trades. First things first, make sure you have accounts ready. Log into your Topstep dashboard and navigate to the API, or Connections section. Here, you'll need to generate an API key. This is your golden ticket, so keep it secure. Once you have that, fire up NinjaTrader on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the NinjaTrader website, download the latest version, and get it up and running. Now, let's connect them. In NinjaTrader, go to the Tools menu and select Options. Under the Connections tab, look for the section to add a new broker or data feed. Select Topstep from the list. If it's not there, you might need to manually enter the details. Paste in that API key you generated earlier, along with your Topstep account number. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent connection errors. Hit Connect, and watch the magic happen. NinjaTrader will authenticate with Topstep, and once it's linked, you should see your account balance and trading options populate. If you run into issues, like authentication failures, ensure your software is updated to the 2025 versions and that your internet connection is stable. Pro tip: always test the connection in a demo mode first to avoid any real account mishaps. There you have it. That's how you link Topstep to NinjaTrader. This setup will give you access to Topstep's funded trading opportunities right from your NinjaTrader platform. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.